Walking in the park. I like to go for a walk in the park near my house. I try to go there 3 times a week. Walking is good exercise, and the park is a beautiful place. The park opens at 6 a.m. and closes at 9 p.m. I usually go in the afternoon after work or school. Sometimes I go early in the morning when the park is quiet. When I arrive at the park, I see many trees and flowers. There is a big lake in the middle of the park. The water is blue and clear. I can see small fish swimming in the lake. There are many paths in the park. Some paths go around the lake. Others go through the trees. I like to walk on different paths each time I visit. Many people come to the park. Some people walk like me. Others run or ride bicycles. Children play on the playground. Old people sit on benches and talk. I often see dogs in the park. People walk their dogs on leashes. There is a special area where dogs can run without leashes. The dogs look very happy there. In the spring, the park has many colorful flowers. In the summer, the trees are full of green leaves. In the autumn, the leaves turn red, orange, and yellow. In the winter, sometimes there is snow on the ground. Birds live in the park too. I hear them singing in the trees. Sometimes I bring bread to feed the ducks in the lake. The ducks swim quickly to me when they see the bread. There is a small cafe in the park. Sometimes I stop there for a cup of coffee or a cold drink. I sit at a table outside and watch people walk by. Walking in the park makes me feel good. The fresh air and exercise help me relax. I forget about my problems when I am in the park. After I walk for about 30 minutes, I feel tired but happy. My legs feel strong, and my mind feels clear. Walking in the park is good for my body and my mind. On rainy days, I cannot go to the park. I feel sad when I miss my walk. But I know the park will be there waiting for me when the sun comes out again. Do you have a park near your house? Do you like to walk there? What do you see when you walk in the park?